Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking. In this series, we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs as they demonstrate how to prepare some of their favorite dishes. And now, here is today's host.
Welcome to Creative Cooking. This month, we are highlighting the versatility of coconut milk. It saves time and also adds extra flavor to many dishes. Joining us in today's program is Executive Chef Karl Thomas, and he'll be demonstrating a delectable dish using Grace coconut milk. The dish is coconut shrimp spaghetti. Welcome, Chef Thomas. We're happy to have you on the program again.
It's great to be here, Mazie.
The last time you were here, you had just graduated as an executive chef from the CIA program.
Yes.
That's the Culinary Institute of America. And you were based at the Runaway Bay Heart Academy.
Yes,
but
yes.
I hear you've moved into the city, right?
Yes, I've sort of come back home now.
Yes.
I'm presently at the University of Technology at the Lillian's restaurant.
Okay.
I'm the chef technologist in charge of the restaurant, and I also assist with classes with the School of Hospitality and Tourism, which includes garde manger and a la carte.
Tell us about the dish you're making for us today.
Well, today, as you said, we're doing a shrimp spaghetti with coconut milk, right? It's also to show the versatility of our local product, which is the coconut.
Definitely.
Right, and to try another starch item instead of having the rice or potato.
Yam,
and pasta is very quick to prepare also.
Very easy, 10 minutes, eh?
Yes, very quick. Now I'll start to prepare the shrimp and coconut spaghetti. I'll start first by cooking a bit of pasta, even though I have some prepared already. The water is now boiling. I'll add Grace vegetable oil, and this prevents the pasta from sticking to itself. Needs a little bit of salt also, because we need to cook with enough flavor in the pot. We gradually just move this around to allow the pasta to soften and to fall into the pot. On the other burner here, we have some more Grace vegetable oil. And I'll just move this aside to allow it to continue to cook. All right, meanwhile that is heating up, a little bit more oil on our shrimp that has been cleaned, washed and deveined. A little bit more salt and some Grace black pepper. All right, we stir this around to ensure that all of the shrimp is covered properly. All right, and the oil is now ready. We'll add our shrimp. Because we'll be using other ingredients in this dish, we don't need to go ahead and cook the shrimp all the way. So just about half the way done is okay. We don't want the shrimp to get too tough, so we have to ensure that at this point now we add some onions, some carrots that have been julienned, some peppers, and all this is vegetables to enhance both the color of the dish and also to enhance the taste of it. One other important ingredient that we need to add is a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. Because the Jamaican dish, we need to have a little bit of kick or spice to what's going on, and it complements the coconut milk very well. A little bit of garlic also. At this point in time, we deglaze the pan with a little bit of white wine. Why we deglaze the pan? Because during preparation, a lot of seasonings or fond, as we call it in the culinary world, is formed in the bottom of the pot, and we need to lift up all of those flavors to ensure that it complements the dish well. We allow this to reduce a little bit, and then we'll add Grace coconut milk. Right, and still we need to adjust the flavor of this, so we add a little bit more salt because we have a lot of liquid in it, so we need to ensure that the liquid itself has the flavor to complement the dish. Some more pepper. Here's the pasta that I had already prepared. We'll add this now to the dish, both to heat the pasta and also to allow the pasta to absorb all the flavor that is already in the pot, both the shrimp, the coconut milk, and also the Scotch bonnet pepper. The more the pasta reduces the more the sauce reduces, it allows the coconut milk to thicken and allow the sauce to coat the pasta itself and to coat the vegetables and also the shrimp. Before I actually present the dish, I'll be adding some julienne tomatoes to it to help to enhance the color of the dish. And also I'll be garnishing it with a little bit of fresh herb. And here I'll be using some dill. Dill is a herb that goes well with seafood, whether it be snapper, shrimp, scallop, lobster, whatever the case might be. It's a good accompaniment for seafood dishes. And we'll present it in a bowl because we need to ensure that the pasta actually gets some height from the dish itself. I'm going to put some peppers over the top of it, tomatoes. And we garnish it with fresh herb. And there you have it, shrimp and coconut spaghetti.
Hi, Chef.
Hello again, Mazie.
The color scheme you have here really is next to none. And Chef, we just can't overemphasize the importance of not overcooking foods, you know?
Yes,
I think many times we
Jamaicans are used to, if it doesn't look dark, it's not cooked.
Right, or have to
And
dry
that's
out.
essentially so, yeah.
You know?
It's nice to have nice and moist product to heat. You'll enjoy it more.
Certainly. And this is a quick and easy meal
Yes.
idea that every family member will enjoy.
Yes, and you doesn't necessarily have to use shrimp. There's chicken, there's fish, there's beef, anything that you like.
Definitely. Thanks, Chef, for sharing this dish with us.
Thank you very much, Mazie.
Can we invite you to come again?
Yes, definitely. It's my pleasure.
Okay. Welcome back. Here's another food and kitchen tip from Grace. And that's our show for today. Thanks for joining us. Remember, you may write, email, or phone us for this and other recipes. We'd love to hear from you. Till next time, thanks for watching.
This is Chef Season on Creative Cooking, and we hope you enjoyed today's show. Join us every Monday morning at 7:35 as we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs, demonstrating some of their favorite dishes here on Smile Jamaica, It's Morning Time. Chef Season continues next Monday morning on Creative Cooking, 7:35 on TVJ, and with a repeat at 2:50 p.m. every Sunday afternoon. Don't miss it.